Look at you weirdo. Hey, Ethan, where are you? Where you at, Bubba? You crazy, boy. Did you lose Butthead back there?
How did you manage that, Ethan?
How'd you get turned back around? I think he's wearing the hardwood floor shuffle, so it is.
He's like, but my toys were under here, Daddy. I had to go under there and fish them out.
Come on, boy. Come on. Get out of there. You stuck.
Ethan. What are you doing? Are you okay? Oh, you bumped your head. Oh.